Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that what is Twitter blue tick account and how much you have to pay to Twitter after Elon Musk new policy. So simply just you have to understand that if you have blue tick on your Twitter account, so it means your Twitter account is verified and it comes in public interest. So and you have multiple followers, so simply just for example we open this account and here you can see this account has 4 million followers and it has blue tick link. So now you have understand that what is blue tick link. So now after the Elon Musk has become the new CEO of Twitter, so now if your account is verified and you have blue tick link, so simply you have to pay $20 to Twitter in every month. So this is the new policy. If your account is verified, you have to pay $20 to Twitter.
So now you understand what is blue tick on Twitter and what is the new policy of Elon Musk, that how much a verified account will be charged on Twitter.